Hello everyone, myself Akash Singh. So, after completing Fibers to Fabric, we are going towards the third chapter of your syllabus, that is Components of Food. So, in this chapter, we will discuss that why we are eating and why we are consuming food. Food is essential for all animals, including human beings. The food that we eat contains different component, and the topic of our chapter is that component only. So, moving ahead with our topic, the first thing I want to share is that our food contain different components, and that component is termed as nutrients. What? Nutrients. So you can see that nutrient is what defined as components that are needed by our body to grow, survive, and carry on different daily activities. Okay, so basically for your level, what is nutrients? Component of food that are needed by our body to grow, survive, and carry daily activities. Okay, so that is why we are eating food. The main purpose of eating food is not enjoying, is actually getting or gaining the important nutrients for our survival and for our growth. If we move ahead, our food contains mainly five major kind of nutrients, namely vitamins, minerals, carbohydrate, proteins, and fat. So these are very common term that we are using in our daily life, that this particular food has uh, this amount of fat, this amount of protein, this amount of carbohydrates. So actually we are measuring that how much content that particular food or that particular edible item contain. So what are the five kind of nutrients? First is vitamin, mineral, carbohydrate, protein, and fat. Vitamin, mineral, carbohydrate, protein, and fat. Additionally, food also contain water and dietary fiber or roughage and water, which are also required by our bodies. Means addition to that, food also contain water. Means suppose that if we are eating watermelon, that what is the maximum composition of it? So the maximum composition of any fruit like water, lemon or cucumber is basically water. So additionally food contain water and dietary fiber or roughage also. Actually dietary fibers you get in the leafy part, the stem part, or the fruit part of any plant. That helps much in digestion and other activities. So the major nutrients are our food, fat, protein, mineral, water, roughage, vitamins, carbohydrate. This term should be in your mind, should be on your tongue whenever asked and whenever it is required. See, carbohydrate we are getting from, see, this is the picture of what? This is the picture of finger chips of potato. Protein, this is the picture of flesh. Fat, okay, so we are getting from various ghee, butter. Vitamins, fruit, mineral, this is additional substance. Mineral is basically the various metals or various elements in the metallic form, in the ions form, and water simply. So These nutrients fulfill different need of our body. Understood? So these are some basic thing what you are getting. Then what do different food item contain? This part of the content helps us to understand the importance of consuming the right kind of food in proportion. As we know, food is essential for body movements, all living organisms. Okay, food is essential for body movement of all living organism. If a person does not get food, he feels weak and likely to feel ill. Food provides energy for doing work, help in the growth of cell, and protect our body from various diseases. Food is usually made up of many ingredients components that are needed by our body called nutrients. The major nutrient in our body in our food are named carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins and mineral that are required for survival of living being. Actually, whatever our body needs, whatever, suppose means I want to say that if your bike needs petrol, if your car needs diesel, that particular thing you will give. Means if the bike is running with the help of petrol, you cannot add kerosene, you cannot add water. That is what the need. Okay sir, our body need what? Carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin, mineral, and what are the source? The source is food. What do various nutrients do for our body? The component present in our food that normally provide energy to our body are carbohydrates. So carbohydrates provide energy. Wheat, rice, sugarcane, fruits are good source of carbohydrates. Butter, ghee, groundnut, different oils are good source of fat. Fat act as fuel in our body, but they provide more energy than carbohydrate. We have to remember that too much fat deposition is harmful to the body. Protein types of food is also needed for growth and repair of our body. If our food body gets damaged or cut from sharp things, proteins helps to heal that wound. Milk, fish, meat, cheese, moong, peas are good source of protein. So here are some perfect working, perfect function of each type of components, or you can say nutrients. So please go through it. If you have any doubt, we will discuss further in the live classes. Till then, have a nice day. Goodbye. This is for this video.